This is going to be a video tutorial on how to activate, deactivate, or customize the panic button in the Opera GX web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Opera GX web browser opened up now. The Opera GX's panic button is activated by pressing the F12 key. It is a feature which is designed to instantly hide, mute, and pause all active browser tabs, replacing them with a safe or bland content. It acts as a quick cover-up for embarrassing, not safe for work content, preventing it from being seen by others, and it can be reversed by pressing F12 again. If I press the F12 key, it takes me to the panic button page, and you can customize whatever pages it takes you to. I'll show you how to do that. But if you press F12 again, it takes you right back to where you were to begin with. But to customize it, to enable the feature, disable the feature, or customize the feature, you want to open up the settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the little red O logo. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now under Settings, the pane off to the left-hand side, I am on the GX Basics tab. And on the center pane, you want to scroll down just a little ways, down to the GX Basics section. And in the GX Basics section, right down here is the panic button. I'm going to click on Panic Button. And that takes me to this page. It tells you a little bit about it up top here. It says Panic Button is set to F12 by default. Right below that panic button, you can enable or disable the feature. By default, it's probably enabled like you see mine is, but to disable the feature altogether, you would just toggle that off. But to enable it, you toggle it on. Down below there, you have links. You can add your own links. These are the links that are kind of default. It takes you to a random site within one of these. You can change any one of these URLs. You could delete. You could add. I clicked on Add, and down below here you could see it added another line. To delete any one of these, you would just click on the trash can off to the right of it. But that is how to activate, deactivate, or customize the panic button on the Opera GX web browser. Thanks for watching.